Brooklyn.
But if you close your eyes.
Mina, where are we?
We are in Brooklyn, New York.
David, where are we going?
I think I stepped in dog food.
Oh my god, where are we going?
We're going to Brooklyn's finest diner. And what's that called, Peter?
Champs? Champs.
Be more confident in your answers.
That's the OMG.
What are you getting?
I'm getting the grinder. Sounds very, very good. Can't wait.
What are you getting?
Because you're getting the fleet cheesesteak and I can't get it. You wanna go have?
I got the Philly cheesesteak. Peter got the grinder. And David got Artie's dip burger. And then the food came out.
This is the grinder. It's pretty much a Philly cheesesteak with banana peppers, onions, garlic, mayo, cheese, and a hero. We're gonna get, oh my god, it's so soft.
That's a funny reaction. What do you think?
It's amazing. It's really, really good.
Alright, David.
Alright, I got Artie Dip's burger. Seitan, yeah. With provolone, mushrooms. I don't know what is that. Some type of greens, lettuce, fries, and onion rings. Do I put this inside? This is really soft. The cheese is amazing.
So I got the Philly cheesesteak. It's apparently like one of the best dishes here at Champs. It looks really good. Oh, look at that. Does that look vegan?
Definitely not.
No. Doesn't taste vegan either. We're gonna get to eating and put the camera away.
Can we get much higher?
We're all kind of stunned right now at how good this food is.
Peter is on a whole other level. Woo. He's been acting very oddly. So you finished half of the sandwich.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I wanna savor the other half to like forever. It's really good.
We finished all our food. David's still thirsty though, so
He's gonna get a shake. What shake are you gonna get?
cookie dough shake.
Which one? Cookie dough.
I want that. Really? You can put any essential oil. Yes. I got one. Yeah. I actually won one for Christmas. Yeah. Like, I don't know. I just think at this point in our relationship, like for 2 years, I told him it's not. It's not.
I do not know what to do.
Next time,
He doesn't like it. It's good. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Like, I feel like it's how he describes it. It's pretty good though.
Wait, is it just me or is it not? Hold up.
No, like, I don't even know.
I'm gonna try with this one.
But the food was so good, this doesn't count. So we just finished. So we just finished our meal. What?
It smells really bad.
Sorry. So we just finished our meal at Champs in Brooklyn, New York. That was one of the best vegan meals I've ever had. David?
Brooklyn's finest.
Brooklyn's finest, definitely.
Absolutely.
What would you rate it?
Are we doing the milkshake again? With the milkshake? That milkshake.
The milkshake
was bad.
ruined it.
It was bad.
Or maybe it's just good for people, but it's pretty subjective.
8.4 with the milkshake. Without the
8.4.
milkshake, that food was one of the best vegan meals I've ever had in my life.
And our
8.8.
8.8. Our boy Peter over here, who was completely stunned and on a new level of high
Gets you full.
from that food.
It gets you full. It's amazing. Pretty good price. There's a 9 for me.
A 9. I'm gonna give it an 8.5. I thought the food was really, really good. The place is a bit cramped though, and we had to wait a half an hour, which isn't really the fault of the diner, but the food was really good overall. The question of the day, let us know what your favorite diner is. Post it down in the comments below. Check out the other videos we have, and we'll see you guys on our next adventure.